Welcome back. Find a position where you can be completely still for the next few minutes. Sitting, lying down, wherever your body feels most held right now. Let your eyes close or let your gaze soften downward, unfocused. There's nothing to do right now, nothing to fix, nowhere else to be. Just let yourself arrive here, fully, in this moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently at the top and let it out through your mouth, long and slow, like you're fogging a mirror. One more like that. In through the nose. Hold. And out through the mouth, slower than before. Let your shoulders drop just a little more than you think they need to. Let your jaw unclench. Let your hands rest, open, palms soft. Now bring your attention gently into your body and just notice. Where does the stress live tonight? Maybe it's in your chest, maybe it's across your shoulders, or behind your eyes, or low in your stomach. Don't search too hard. Just let your body answer on its own. Pause here and just notice. No need to change anything yet. Now, in your mind, let that stress take the shape of an image. It might be a knot of a rope, a grey cloud, a tight ball of static electricity crackling faintly. Whatever appears, let it be exactly as it is. Notice its color. Notice its size. Notice if it feels warm or cold or heavy or sharp. Breathe with it for a moment. You're not fighting it. You're just looking at it calmly, the way you'd look at weather passing outside a window. Now, very gently, imagine there's a small dial in front of you, like the dimmer switch on a lamp. Reach out in your mind and place your hand on it. Slowly begin to turn it down. As you do, watch the image of your stress grow dimmer as well. And dimmer. Losing its brightness, its sharp edges softening. As the light fades, let the image also begin to shrink. Smaller than your hand, smaller than a coin, smaller until it's no bigger than a single marble, dim and quiet, resting in your palm. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of calm water, a lake, still and dark, reflecting a soft sky. Feel the temperature of the air. Hear how quiet it is, just the faintest sound of water moving. Look down at the small marble of stress resting in your hand. When you're ready, gently let it go. Watch it drop into the water without a splash, sinking slowly and slowly and slowly down into the dark, calm depths. Farther from you with every second. not gone violently, just released, let go of, returned to something larger than you. Watch until you can't see it anymore. Breathe. Now bring your hands to rest over your heart or wherever feels natural and say these words silently or aloud to the part of you that has carried this for so long. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let a breath move through you. And say it again, slower. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel where those words land in your body. Maybe it's a loosening in your chest. Maybe it's warmth spreading through your shoulders. Wherever you feel it, let it grow. One more time, softer than before, almost a whisper. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, slowly bring your attention back into your body, one place at a time. Feel your jaw. Let it soften completely. Feel your shoulders. Let them melt down away from your ears. Feel your chest. Let your breath move through it freely without effort. Feel your stomach, your hips, your legs growing heavier, looser, resting fully into whatever is supporting you. Feel your hands. Let them go still and warm. Take one more breath in, filling your whole body. And let it out, the longest exhale you've taken all day, like you're letting go of something you've been holding since this morning or this week or longer. Notice, without trying, how different your body feels now than it did at the beginning of this. Lighter, quieter, more yours. Whatever you release tonight, you don't have to pick it back up. You never had to hold it as tightly as you did. Stay here for as long as you need. Resting, breathing, held by the stillness you just made for yourself. And whenever you're ready, gently, slowly come back into your room.